How's it going, everyone? This is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be going over multiple coins in the crypto market. There's a lot going on today with whale money just absolutely pumping into the market, literally across the board. We are seeing so much green in the market today. So I just wanted to go over some different markets, both cryptocurrency, the dollar index, the S&P 500, all of that. Just give you my perspective going into next week of what we could be expecting for crypto. First up, I want to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum here. Both of these predictions are still holding up. We're still expecting a break to the upside pretty soon. For Bitcoin, the targets will be around 31,100 and 34,100, somewhere in that range for a break to the upside from the symmetrical triangle pattern. This was a beautiful buy signal right here. We got price versus while money flow low and trend exhaustion low at the same time, which of course resulted in a move up. This played out perfectly. Currently, we're also seeing every single traditional indicator that most traders use, the RSI stochastic MACD and 5100 and 200 moving averages, looking bullish. The only thing that looks kind of bearish right now is the trend exhaustion. But interestingly, as this drops, it becomes more and more likely for moves up. So it's interesting to see this sort of divergence with price versus while money flow moving up, price moving up, and the trend exhaustion moving down. We're expecting this move up over the next couple of weeks, and it's a similar situation with Ethereum. We've actually already broken up outside of this descending triangle pattern as was expected because, again, price versus while money flow is moving up, pushing while money into the market. We got the RSI stochastic and 5100 and 200 moving averages looking bullish as well. I think we're going to see this $2,140 structural resistance hit probably within the next week. We're putting 2 weeks for this Bitcoin prediction, but for Ethereum, I'm expecting to see this within the next week. Now, I do want to talk about the DXY, the dollar index. There's a negative correlation between the dollar index, the value of the dollar, and with Bitcoin. This is because as the value of the dollar decreases, it requires more dollars to make up the same value in Bitcoin. So as the value of the dollar decreases, most often Bitcoin will increase. And of course, this isn't perfect. It won't always happen like that, especially like in individual candles. But in general, as you notice the value of the dollar decreasing, you'll likely see Bitcoin increase along with the rest of the crypto market. Next up is the S&P 500. We're still testing the structure resistance at $417. This would be the second test here, one here and one here. We kind of got near it over here, but not quite. We're seeing a lot of sell signals play out recently with the price versus while money flow high and trend exhaustion high. Most often those will, of course, result in moves down. However, price versus while money flow is now low and trend exhaustion is now low, so we could be seeing a break to the upside soon. Most often, if you're testing structure resistance, which I expect to happen starting next week, this will result in a bullish breakout because a low price versus while money flow and a low trend exhaustion means bullish. Now, the S&P 500 is pretty closely correlated to Bitcoin as well, and Bitcoin's correlated, of course, to the rest of the crypto market. So if we see a break up from the S&P 500, we're very likely to see increases in the general market as well. You can see it directly on this candle right here. We have a green positive bullish candle, and we're seeing green in the market too. Now, before we get any farther in the video, you can get access to all of these indicators and more, 11 total, on sale right now for $450. I'm going to show you how you can actually grab them real quick, and then we're going to look at a few other coins in the market, and I want to give you some predictions on those. If you want to get access to these indicators, you can grab them at the links in the description down below. You can see right here, it's the pressure gauge. This is one that I haven't featured in a very long time. That is also included. So if you want to grab them, go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our spring sale page, $450 off all indicators. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to purchase the bundle pack first using code SPRING50. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and trend dashboard, as well as several other indicators for you to try out. It'll also include a $400 off coupon for the TC Top and Bottom Finder. If you want to buy the TC Top and Bottom Finder by itself, that is great too. Use code SPRING300 here for $300 off that. Personally, though, I would recommend the bundle pack purchase first with that extra coupon for a total of $450 off. All you got to do is click the link here, click I want this right here, put in code SPRING50, click apply. That'll take $50 off your charge. Go ahead and put in your information here. You got to put in a zip code real quick just for an example. Go ahead and click pay, and then it'll offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for only $349. This is $400 off the normal $749 charge. Go ahead and click add to cart, and you will see you have just gotten that full $450 off. Again, fill out your information, click pay, and you are good to go. Next, we're going to be taking a look at Cardano. This chart is a little bit complicated here, we're seeing a rising wedge pattern happening inside of a channel pattern here. The rising wedge is somewhat irrelevant, so we're going to delete that. And we are currently testing structure support at 37.5 cents as we approach this ascending structure support. Extended that out a little bit just to hit that structure support. If the rest of the crypto market increases as expected, I think we're going to rise up to 42.10 cents or as high as 43.84 cents, somewhere in that range. We're seeing price versus while money flow was very low. Trend exhaustion had it previously bottomed out before that and peaked. We got a buy signal, and all three of these combined to be one of the most bullish signals possible, and exactly what we got. We rose up to test structure resistance at 42 cents. We've since moved back down, but I expect it to happen again to retest that area. Next up is everyone's favorite meme coin, Doge. We are currently testing structure resistance continuously at 8.195 cents. Again, whale money is flowing into the market. In fact, let's just do this. Let's go straight up to Bitcoin. I want everyone to pay attention right here and notice that literally every single coin has increasing whale money flow. This is a great test to show how directly correlated whale money is to the crypto market. Where whale money goes, the price is very likely to go to. You'll see every single coin is in the green right now. Now we're back at the S&P 500, but you'll see every coin is green in the profit, and every single coin has whale money moving into the market. So you really need to be paying attention. This is why this right here, the price versus whale money flow, is my personal favorite indicator. If I had to choose only one indicator to trade with, for me, it's the price versus whale money flow, followed quickly by the TC top and bottom finder. Those are my top two, but honestly, this price versus while money flow just crushes it. But again, back to Doge. Currently, I'm looking at a price move up again to that structure resistance at 8.195 cents. And if we manage to break that, I think we're going to break pretty quickly up to 9.47 cents, right up to that structure resistance. This comes as trend exhaustion dips with price versus while money flow absolutely pumping whale money into the market. As that happens, most often we'll see a break to the upside. Same thing with DOT, whale money moving up, trend exhaustion absolutely dropping, move up in DOT. Horizontal line here, we have a lot of structure resistance right at this point, a lot of touches actually, geez, at $6.09.4. EOS, same deal, same prediction as we saw earlier. We are hitting structure support at this point, testing that as whale money is pumping into the market. Price versus our trend exhaustion was low as well and moving up. This should push the price up to at least $1.06.9. Let's take a look at MATIC. This is one of my personal favorite altcoins. Whale money, again, moving into the market. Trend exhaustion dipping out of the market. Structure resistance at this point at 1.356 cents. And if we break above that, which is entirely possible, I'm looking somewhere around $1 at 19.23 cents. Solana's doing pretty good too. We currently have a descending triangle pattern right here. Boom. And we have the structure support right here. Boom. I think we could break out because you guessed it, whale money is pumping into the market. Trend exhaustion is lowering out of the market. Most often this will result in price moves up, which means we could see a price jump as high as right here, one of the previous sell signals, up to $25.99. Just call that an even $26 for Solana. Uniswap, our biggest gaining coin in the market today. Currently testing structure resistance. Got to move this down a little bit here, right about there. Currently testing structure resistance at $5.67. Whale money moving up, trend exhaustion moving down, likely to cause a breakout to the upside, which would bring us to structure resistance at the previous sell signal at $6.48. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm like bullish all the way around. We are seeing so much sentiment, bullish sentiment here in just about every single coin. Even the stock market here, the SPY is seeing moves up. And if we break above this line at $417, this is going to be absolutely insane for the crypto market as a whole. Just as a reminder, all of these indicators, all 11 in total, there's more than what is just shown here, is on sale for $450 right now. I showed you exactly how to get access step by step earlier in the video. Links are in the description. With that, thank you so much for joining me in the Friday crypto roundup today. Just wanted to push through a bunch of different coins and show you what my outlook on the crypto market is moving into next week. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.